The last node is in adjustment is zero border for deleting or smoothing the border of your terrain. If you bring a Voronoi mountain, as you can see, we have no border. We have something like this. If you want to add a border to your terrain, let's change the seed. Yeah, that's nice. So you can see we have a bad border here. Okay, zero border. It's smoothing the border. Simply connect the Voronoi to zero border node. And you have to change some settings. The mode is precise. It means it's exactly nice. So first you need show margin. You can add a margin. As you can see, it cut exactly in this margin to you. For example, more margin that you can. As you can see, it's clipping your mountain. But if you don't like it, you can make it a fall off. But you have to blur it. It gives you a slope here. Blur, as you can see, power, or you can use iterate, more multiply of that. Nice. And it creates something like this, but it does not work very well at very dense slope, and you can use blur or something else. Be careful about something like this, but as you can see, it works well here. Or you can add more margin to your mountain. So this mode can change to the round. As you can see, it create better resolution here. And after that, you can use erosion to that, for example. Or you can use a square. You can make it a default and make it square. It's like exactly like this. Or that precise again. So this is all about the zero border. You can use it. But in this case, the software cannot do nice thing. But after that, you can connect a lots of noise, erosion, or something else to correct that issue.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.